Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica, welcome back. This video is inspired by the movie Proud Mary starring Taraji P. Henson. Taraji plays a character named Mary, a fierce hit woman with killer style. This video shows you how I unleashed my inner Proud Mary. And don't miss the movie in theaters Friday. I'm going to start off by cleansing my hair with the Creme of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Apple Cider Vinegar Clarifying Rinse. Next, I'm moving on to the Sulfate-Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. This shampoo hydrates and detangles the hair. It also has argan oil from Morocco. I'm going to condition my hair with the Intensive Conditioning Treatment. This product strengthens your hair, it adds moisture and prevents hair breakage. Once I rinse out my conditioner, I add my leave-in conditioner. This is the Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. Since I'm going to be straightening my hair, this product is super lightweight and it doesn't add any buildup. Then I go on to blow drying my hair. I use my detangling brush to help get my hair as straight as possible. After blow drying, I move on to flat ironing my hair. I alternate between two flat irons. I use a very small 1/2 inch flat iron, and then I use my 1 inch flat iron. My flat iron is set on 400 degrees, and I use the chase method. So basically that's just with your rat tail comb, and then you chase it with your flat iron. To finish and polish the look, I'm going to go in with the Perfect Edges, and this is just to kind of smooth down any flyaways. And here's the completed look. Alright you guys, so that is the end of the video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this was a killer look inspired by the film Proud Mary starring Taraji P. Henson. This action-packed film will be out in theaters this Friday, January 12th. So make sure you gather all your girls and have a girls' night out to go see the movie. Also, check out the trailer here on YouTube. You can just type in Proud Mary official trailer and it'll pop up for you to watch. Thank you so much Creme of Nature for sponsoring this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!